In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Zoom, whether you're using the desktop app or the web portal. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be managing your contacts like a pro. Let's begin with the Zoom desktop app, which works across Windows, Mac, and Linux platforms. First, you'll want to open the Zoom desktop app and sign in using your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom where the tabs are located and click on the Contacts tab. You'll notice an add icon that looks like a plus sign. Go ahead and click on that. Then select Invite a Zoom Contact. Here's where you'll need the email address of the person you want to add. Make sure it's the email they've used to create their Zoom account. This is crucial because any mismatch could leave them without your contact request. After entering their email, click Invite. They'll receive a contact request if they have a Zoom account. If they've not yet set up their account using that email, Zoom will send them an invitation email, nudging them to create one. What if you've sent a request and someone responds on their end? Accepting incoming contact requests in Zoom is just as straightforward. Navigate over to the Team Chat tab. Within that section, you'll find the Contact Requests sidebar. Any pending requests await here, and all you need to do is click Accept. Now, let's switch gears and focus on using the Zoom web portal, particularly if you're setting up personal contacts for phone integration, perfect for those using Zoom's phone services. To begin, you'll want to visit zoom.us using your preferred web browser and log in to your account. Once signed in, take a look at the left-hand menu and click on Personal Contacts. This section is designed to help you integrate and manage phone contacts associated with your Zoom account. To add a new contact, choose Add Contact from the options available. You'll be prompted to fill in the necessary details. This includes the contact's name, email, phone number, and the company they are associated with, if applicable. These fields help ensure you have all the essential information you need for seamless communication. Remember to double-check the information you've entered for accuracy. Once you're confident that everything is in order, click Save, and you're all set. And there you have it. You now know how to effectively manage and add contacts on Zoom using both the desktop app and the web portal. By following these steps, you'll keep your professional and personal communication streamlined, making it easier to connect with colleagues, friends, and family. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.